What if I told you that nearly a century ago, long before wind tunnels became standard and decades before streamlining dominated automotive design, someone built a car that looked like it came straight out of the future, a machine so unconventional, so ahead of its time, that it challenged everything people thought a car should be. This wasn't a concept sketch or a dream. It was real. Meet the Martin Aerodynamic, a bold experiment in efficiency, design, and imagination that dared to defy the boxy norms of the 1920s. But why did it disappear into obscurity? In the late 1920s, most automobiles resembled horse carriages, upright, boxy, and resistant to airflow. The Martin Aerodynamic broke away from that tradition entirely. Its creators envisioned a vehicle shaped not by convention, but by science, specifically the emerging understanding of aerodynamics. Inspired by aircraft design and the natural efficiency of teardrop forms, the car aimed to minimize drag and maximize performance. This wasn't just about speed, it was about redefining efficiency. The philosophy behind the Martin Aerodynamic was simple yet revolutionary. If air resistance could be reduced, vehicles could travel faster using less power. It was a vision decades ahead of mainstream automotive thinking. Beneath its futuristic shell, the Martin Aerodynamic featured a custom-built chassis designed to support its unconventional body. Unlike traditional ladder frame designs of the era, this vehicle required structural adaptation to accommodate its smooth, flowing contours. Engineers had to rethink weight distribution and support systems, ensuring stability without compromising the streamlined profile. The construction likely involved lightweight materials where possible, balancing rigidity with reduced mass. Because it was a one-off or extremely limited prototype, much of the engineering was experimental, crafted with ingenuity rather than mass production practicality. This made the Martin Aerodynamic not just a car, but a rolling laboratory of ideas. The Martin Aerodynamic's layout likely deviated from conventional front-engine designs. Many early aerodynamic prototypes experimented with rear engine placement to improve airflow and weight balance, and this vehicle may have followed that trend. Its fully enclosed body, including covered wheels, reduced turbulence significantly. The smooth, rounded nose and tapered rear weren't just stylistic, they were functional. Air could flow seamlessly over the car, reducing drag in ways most vehicles of the time couldn't achieve. These innovations foreshadowed features that wouldn't become common until the 1930s and beyond, making the Martin Aerodynamic a true pioneer in automotive efficiency. While exact engine specifications remain unclear, the Martin Aerodynamic likely used a modest power plant typical of the late 1920s, perhaps a small inline engine. However, what made this car remarkable wasn't raw horsepower, but how efficiently it used that power. Thanks to its aerodynamic design, the vehicle could potentially achieve higher speeds than similarly powered cars simply by cutting through the air more effectively. This efficiency would have translated into better fuel economy and smoother high-speed travel. If any modifications or upgrades occurred over time, they would have been experimental in nature, further refining the balance between power and airflow. In essence, the Martin Aerodynamic proved that performance isn't just about engine size, it's about intelligent design. The body of the Martin Aerodynamic was its most striking feature, a seamless teardrop-shaped shell that looked more like an aircraft fuselage than a car. Constructed likely from metal panels over a custom frame, it emphasized smoothness and continuity. Inside, the cabin was probably minimalistic, focused more on function than luxury. Seating arrangements may have been unconventional, depending on the car's layout. Visibility could have been limited due to the streamlined design, but this was a trade-off for aerodynamic efficiency. In many ways, the vehicle prioritized innovation over comfort, yet it still hinted at the future of enclosed, weather-protected automotive travel. The Martin Aerodynamic was not a mass-produced vehicle. It was an experimental prototype, likely built in very limited numbers, possibly even as a single unit. Its primary purpose was to explore aerodynamic principles rather than serve as a commercial product. As such, its real-world use was probably limited to testing, demonstrations, or exhibitions. It may have been driven to showcase its efficiency and futuristic design, capturing attention wherever it appeared. However, its radical departure from conventional design likely made it impractical for everyday use at the time. Maintenance, visibility, and unfamiliar handling characteristics could have limited its adoption. Still, it served its purpose as a bold statement of what the future could look like. Like many experimental vehicles of its era, the Martin Aerodynamic faded into obscurity over time. Without mass production or widespread recognition, it didn't achieve lasting commercial success. Its unique design may have been too radical for the market and too ahead of its time to be fully appreciated. Whether the original vehicle survives today is uncertain, but its legacy lives on through photographs, historical records, and the influence it had on future designs. If preserved, it would likely be considered a rare and valuable artifact of early automotive innovation, representing a moment when imagination briefly outpaced industry readiness. The Martin Aerodynamic stands as a symbol of visionary thinking in automotive history. At a time when most cars were built with little regard for airflow, it dared to challenge the norm. Its ideas, streamlining, efficiency, and integration of form and function, would later become foundational principles in car design. Vehicles of the 1930s and beyond, especially streamlined models, owe a conceptual debt to early experiments like this. The Martin Aerodynamic reminds us that progress often begins with bold, unconventional ideas. Ideas that may not succeed immediately, but shape the future nonetheless. The Martin Aerodynamic may not be a household name, but its spirit lives on in every sleek, efficient car we see today. It was more than just a vehicle. It was a question posed to the future. What if we did things differently? If you enjoyed uncovering this hidden gem of automotive history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What other forgotten vehicles should we explore next?